Hello, I'm Sama and I'd like to welcome you back to Kalila, where you learn Arabic the right way. You know, sometimes in Arabic you'll want to talk about something specific that is near or far from you. To do that, we use demonstrative pronouns to replace the noun and point out something that is near or far. You're likely familiar with the way English uses the demonstrative pronouns this, that, these, and those to describe something near or far. Well, the good news is that Arabic does too. The difference is, however, that Arabic uses different demonstrative pronouns not only based on the number, but also on the gender of the noun. Today we're going to show you what those definitive pronouns are in Arabic and how to use them so that the next time you have a conversation in Arabic, you'll be able to talk about this and that. So yalla, let's get started. This in Arabic. As mentioned before, demonstrative pronouns in Arabic must agree in gender with the noun it's referring to. In the case of this in Arabic, the demonstrative masculine pronoun for something that is close to you is هذا. For example, to say this house in Arabic, you would say هذا البيت. To say this is Ahmad in Arabic, it is هذا أحمد. This man would be هذا الرجل. Now, if you're referring to a female or a noun that is feminine and close to you in Arabic, you would say the demonstrative feminine pronoun هذه, as in هذه المدينة, or this city in English. Likewise, this city is beautiful in Arabic is هذه المدينة جميلة. These two in Arabic. If you want to talk about two things that are close to you in Arabic, when referring to the masculine dual noun, you would use the masculine dual demonstrative pronoun هذان. Similarly, when referring to the feminine dual noun, you would use the feminine dual demonstrative pronoun هاتان. Let's look at the example of these students. When you're talking about two male students as these students, you would say هذان الطالبان. However, when you're talking to a group of female students, it becomes هاتان الطالبتان. That in Arabic. When it comes to that in Arabic, the demonstrative masculine pronoun for something that is far from you is ذلك. Likewise, for the demonstrative feminine pronoun for something that is far, we use تلك. Here are some examples. ذلك الرجل means that man. And because we're using man, we use the masculine form ذلك. On the other hand, let's say you want to say that woman. Well, in this case, we would use the feminine تلك. تلك الامرأة. ذلك الرجل. تلك الامرأة. Those in Arabic. If you want to talk about more than one thing that is far from you in Arabic, when referring to the masculine, feminine, or dual plural noun, you would use the same plural demonstrative pronoun أولئك. Those. For instance, those guys in Arabic would be أولئك الشباب. Arabic also uses other demonstrative pronouns besides this, that, these, and those, as shown in the table below. And these are here, هنا, there, هناك. A couple examples of this are here is Cairo, هنا القاهرة. And هناك مستشفى. There is a hospital. So that's your introduction to those things we call demonstrative pronouns. Keep visiting us every day to pick up a little more Arabic here and there. And don't forget, if you'd like to learn more about Arabic grammar and how you can learn Arabic the right way, then head over to our website kalila.com and download our app today. We make it easy to learn a little this and that about Arabic every day, only at kalila.com. مع السلامة.